Hello again, my friend. You're welcome. Before we continue, let's quickly remind ourselves what happened in the previous video.
If you try to start it now, this will take some time. But it won't boot. Why? Because there is no operating system installed yet, and without an operating system, a computer is useless. But don't worry, we'll fix that in the next video.
Exactly. In this video, we're going to do something very important. We'll download CentOS Stream, install it on our virtual machine, and finally run our first command. So by the end of this video, you'll have Linux running on your computer just like this. So let's get started. Before we go any further, please take a moment to like and subscribe to our channel. We've got a lot of useful content coming, and you won't want to miss it. Downloading CentOS Stream. Visit this website. As usual, you can find the link in the description below. Scroll down and download the ISO image of the x86-64 architecture just by clicking here. And just like that, the download begins. Now, one important thing.
This file is large, about 9.6 gigabytes.
But trust me, it's worth it. Once your download is complete, open VirtualBox and meet me there. Now let's start the virtual machine. Notice this pop-up. Since there is no operating system attached to it yet, VirtualBox immediately asks us for a startup disk. This is where we'll select the CentOS ISO image we downloaded earlier. Click on the folder icon, locate the ISO file, select it, then click Mount and retry boot. And just like that, our virtual machine now has something it can boot from. Select Install CentOS Stream and press Enter. Give it a moment to load. Choose your preferred language and click Continue. Here we have three things to do. So first, go to Installation Destination, select the virtual disk we created earlier, and confirm your selection. Now set a root password. Just make sure it's something you can remember. After that, create your user account and set a password for it as well. Once everything is ready, click Begin Installation. The installation may take a few minutes, so be patient. When it's finished, click Reboot. And just like that, CentOS Stream is installed. Select your user, enter your password. This is different from your root password. Remember this user we created? Okay, now log in. Congratulations, my friend. You now have a running Linux system. Now let's do something simple. Open the terminal. Type echo hello world. Press enter, and there it is, your first command on Linux. I hope this got you excited, just as much as I feel. All right, so in the next video, we'll properly understand the terminal and start using it.